Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my sixth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5D, that is about hire purchase. In this lesson, I will solve question number 5. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that if you find any difficulty in understanding that what is hire purchase, what are the formulas and the rules, you have to watch my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's read the question from the book, as the questions are long, so I will be reading the question from the book. Question says, a computer system is priced at $3,200. A man buys the computer system on hire purchase according to the following terms: down payment of 15%, deposit or down payment of 15%, and the remaining to be paid in monthly installments over 2 years at the simple interest rate of 9.5% per annum. The first requirement of the question is we have to find the monthly installments. The second is the total amount the man pays for the computer system. And the third is that how much more does he have to pay for buying the computer system on hire purchase. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question. First of all, the cash price is given. Cash price is $3,200. Okay, so cash price is $3,200. Now, what is happening that this man is buying this computer on hire purchase conditions. As we know that for hire purchase, we have to give some amount as a down payment, but that down payment is not given. Percentage of down payment is given. So we have to first find the deposit or down payment. Okay, deposit or down payment, that is 15% of 3,200, and that will give me 15 over 100 multiplied by 3,200, and zeros can go with these two zeros, and I'm left with 15 multiplied by 32. Okay, let me check the calculation that what comes for 15 multiplied by 32, that is 480. $480 is the down payment that he has to pay. Now what is happening that after this down payment on the remaining amount, what he is doing, that he has to pay the installments for 2 years with the simple interest rate of 9.5%. So first of all, we have to find the remaining amount that will be equal to 3,200 minus 480. 3,200 minus 480, and this will give me 2720. This is the amount which he still has to pay for the purchase of that computer set. Now what he is doing, that he is giving this amount in 2 years. Okay, if I'm not wrong, yes, 2 years with the simple interest rate of 9.5%. So what I have to do, I have to first find the amount of interest that he has to pay. I equals to PRT upon 100. Always support your working with the formulas. That will give the message to the examiner. Okay, principal amount is 2720 multiplied by the time period for the question is 2 years, and the interest rate is 9.5% upon 100. Now as the calculation is long and big, so you can use the calculator. So 2720 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9.5 and divided by, okay, let me write this, the record the calculation as well. 51,680 upon 100, and this will give me, divided by 100, this will give me 516.8. 516.8 is the amount of interest that he has to pay. Okay, now the first part is the total monthly installment. In order to find total monthly installments, so first of all we have to find the total amount that he has to pay. So total amount equals to the remaining amount plus interest, that is 2720 plus 516.8. okay, now add up these two values, plus 2720, and this will give me 3236.8 dollars. So this is the total amount that he has to pay. Now in order to find the monthly installments will be equal to total amount, that is 3236.8 upon the time period which is given in the question is 2 years, and which will be equal to 24 months. Okay, now I have to divide this value by 24 and I will get the answer 134.866. so $134.87 is the amount that he has to pay in every month for 2 years or 24 months, okay, to get this computer set. Now let's move to the second part of the question, total amount that the man pays for the computer. So the second part is the total amount that the man pays for the computer will be equal to the down payment plus the amount that he is paying with interest. So down payment is, your deposit is 480 and the amount that he is paying with interest is 3236.8. let me add up these two values, 480 plus 3236.8, and this will give me the total amount is 3716.8 is the amount that he has to pay. Total amount equals to $3716.8. I hope you are clear and you are getting it, that how we are finding the monthly installment and total installments that he has to pay. Now this next part says, how much more does he have to pay for buying the computer system on hire purchase? How much more he has to pay if he is buying that computer system on hire purchase? For that answer, we need to have the difference between the hire purchase terms and your actual cash price. So the additional amount will be equal to your hire purchase price 3716.8, and then I have to take away 3200. okay, so 3716.8 minus 3200, this is 516.8 is the additional amount. So the additional amount equals to $516.8, which is actually your interest as well. Okay, I hope you are clear about this question, and let's quickly move to the solution of the next question. Let me read the question from the book, and question number 6 says that the price of the sofa is $X. okay, a man buys the sofa on hire purchase according to the following terms: a down payment or deposit of 25% and the remaining to be paid in the monthly installments of 30 months with the simple interest rate of 12% per annum, given that the monthly installment is, this is the monthly installment given, $52. Find the value of X. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question. And if we look at the question, we can see that in this question we are not given with the actual price of the sofa. Okay, so we can take help from algebra and we can suppose let the actual price or the cash price of the sofa is, let the actual price, let me read the line, find the value of x. Let the cash price of sofa is, cash price of sofa is $X. Now what is happening next, that he is buying this sofa on hire purchase terms, that he is paying a 25% deposit. Okay, so the down payment will be equal to, or deposit will be equal to, deposit will be equal to 25% of x, or this will become 25 by 100x, or this can become 0.25x. So it means that this is the amount that he is paying at once. Now the remaining amount equals to x minus 0.25x equals to 1 minus 0.25, that is 0.75x. This is the amount that he has to pay. Okay, now what he is doing on this amount, he is not doing the complete amount at once. He is returning this amount in 30 months with 12% of simple interest. So first of all, I have to find that how much amount he is paying as interest on this amount. I have to use the formula I equals to PRT upon 100. Now principal for this situation is 0.75x and rate is 12% and the time is 30 months. 30 months are equal to 24 months plus 6 months. Okay, when we talk about 24 months, they will become 2 years and 6 months is half year. So the time period will be 2 whole 1 by 2 years or 5 by 2 years. So I can write it 5 by 2 and there is 100 of the formula multiplied by 2. Now what I have to do, I can multiply 5 by 12 and the interest rate, if we want, we can, the calculations can go these two simplifications. 5 by 2, sorry, this is not 5 by 12, 5 by 2 and 2 ones are and 2 6 are. And now what we can do is we can multiply 0.75 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 100 and this becomes 0.225x. Okay, now this is the amount of interest that he has to pay. 0.225x is the amount of interest. So the total amount that he has to pay will be equal to total amount equals to 0.75x plus 0.225x. Let me add up these two values carefully. 0.75 and this will give me 0.975x. 0.975x is the total amount that he still have to return to the shopkeeper. Now in how much period he has to return that is the 30 months. Information is given that monthly installment is $52. So what we will be doing, we will be distributing this money in 30 months. So expression for one installment will be equal to amount paid in installment, or monthly installment will be equal to THLY installment will be equal to 0.975x x upon 30. Okay, I can divide it by 30 and I can get the answer 0.0325x this is the expression for the amount that he has to pay in 1 month. Okay, now given monthly installment is given installment or monthly installment is installment equals to $52. Okay, so what we have to do, we are going to equate these two values. So 0.0325x equals to 52. In order to get value of x, I have to divide 52 by 0.0325. Okay, 52 divided by 0.0325, and this gives me 1600. So the cash price of this sofa set is X is 1600. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.